Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're all doing well, hale and healthy, and having good times of shopping. Welcome to Flying Skies One. I have made purchases on Diwali, a quite number of products as the offers were on Flipkart. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Now I'll be showing you what the product that I have purchased on offer in the time of Diwali sale. This is Paragon footwear, ideal for men. I have ordered this product through Shopsy app and have made a video as what's the benefit of having Shopsy app. You can order all the Flipkart products in Shopsy app and earn some small monies. You can see the money that has been credited when you order through Shopsy app. Having not returned or replaced your product after you have ordered and delivery is made. The Shopsy app is applicable for retailers, sellers, and all the buyers. This is how it looks. After ordering, I got it in 5 days, the delivery. This is red flip-flops, size 6 to 11 are available. Paragon footwear, I've already said, walkaholic. This is how it looks. The sale price is 119 rupees. As the Diwali offer, I've got it for 60 rupees. There are no delivery charges. You all know for Flipkart members there is a free delivery that is available. This is made of rubber material, EVA. It stands for ethylene. That is, it is naturally stretchy polymer, flexible and strong straps. Strong straps in the sense they are strong enough to keep intact the footwear, but at the same time they are soft when you can have it on your feet comfortably. It's a lightweight, anti-skid, waterproof, and the bubble sole or the upper and the lower sole will give you a good circulation, that is blood circulation on your feet. It's a perfect combination of style and comfort. There's a long durability. Did you purchase this product? And let me know how you like this product. You can go for an evening stroll, easily walk on your feet, and I would give the value for money 4.8 out of 5. You can pair it with your casual wear. The quality is good. If you want the product, you can buy. I'll be providing you the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. Keep smiling. Thank you.